back to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. My name is Alicia, and today I'm going to be reviewing for you a style that's a part of the Sheer Luxury collection by Raquel Welch. I'm wearing Posh Premiere, and this one's in the color RL1923SS or Shaded Biscuit. This style was provided to me by Wig Studio One for review, so thank you so much to Wig Studio One. You will find a purchase link below this video. You will also find a link, and we would love to invite you. Please come over and join us on the Wig Studio One Private Support Facebook group. It's called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. If you should have any questions for the customer support team at Wig Studio One, you can send them an email. It's support@wigstudio1.com. Okay, let me turn around and show you Posh Premiere on all sides. This is a straight out of the box look at Posh Premiere. All I did was give it a couple of shakes. I just put it on my head and I've been styling it with my fingers. So it has all these layers here on the side. The sides are tapered and it has these face framing bangs here. So let me pull these bangs down so that I can show them to you. I love how it's longer in the front and a little shorter in the back, and it has all these layers and all this tapering. Let me show you the extended lace front on Posh Premiere. Beautiful extended lace front that goes all the way down into the ear tab. This has a full monofilament top, so we can part this anywhere that we want to, and it's going to give us that beautiful appearance just like it's our own scalp. I have a 22-inch circumference. All of my measurements are average. I'm going to put my measurements right up here on the screen in case you want to check them against yours for fit. I would say this is an average fitting cap. This is a partially hand-tied cap. There is a little bit of stretch in this cap, so I think petite average to average could wear this cap very comfortably. I'm 8 inches from the top of my hairline to the bottom of my chin. This is a 6.5-inch bang. So it's a little shorter right here in the front, and then it tapers down on the sides just a little bit longer. It says the crown is 5 inches. The nape is 2 inches. The sides are 3.25 inches. The back is 4 inches, and this style weighs 2.3 ounces. It is just feather light and feels like absolutely nothing sitting on my head. This is a wonderful style for all day wear. Let's take a close-up look at this color Shaded Biscuit. The color code is RL1923SS. Here's what it says. It says light ash blonde blended with cool platinum blonde. So I can see some light ash blonde, and then here's some of the cooler blonde, and it's just all blended, and it has this medium brown root. Let's take a look at this color outside. This is just a beautiful blend of light ash blonde, and it's blended with that cool platinum blonde. It's kind of cloudy outside today, but I hope that you can see this color. And then it has these darker roots. Just a beautiful color by Raquel Welch. I'm going to show you the back one more time. I want to show you the crown. And that pretty tapering at the back of my neck. Okay, we're going to take this cap off and look at the inside of the cap. It has this full monofilament top. All of this space is for parting. Here's the lace front. It goes ear to ear. It extends down into the silicone covered ear tab. This is hand stitched on, so you can remove this if you want to, and it has a velvet lined ear tab underneath. But this is really good. You could put a piece of double-sided tape on this if you want some extra security on the side, or you can remove it. It's completely up to you. And then it also has this silicone covered nape. You can also put tape there and secure it to the back of your nape for a more secure fit. Or it is also velvet lined underneath. And it has these thin Velcro adjusters. The back of this has some closed wefting in the back and on the sides. So let me show you the closed wefting. And then the rest of this is hand tied. Hand tied on the top, hand tied on the sides. This is the Luxe Light 2 cap. It is seamless. There's no seams. It's all a smooth transition, all on this cap right here. Let me give it a little shake and we'll put it back on. I'm just going to grab my ear tabs, adjust my ear tabs, make sure that my lace front is where my natural hairline would be. So there's my lace front where my natural hairline would be. I take my ear tabs on both sides because I want to make sure that they're even on both sides. So I just take my ear tabs and I pull forward. One, until I'm sure that they're even on both sides. Okay, let me just move this around a little bit so that I can give you an idea for styling. You can get some beautiful volume in this, and there's no permatease in this hand tied cap, but it just has the most beautiful volume for styling. So you just have to get your fingers in there and style this the way that you like to wear your hair. I love the way Posh Premiere tucks behind my ears. And you can see I have beautiful coverage on the sides here. But this just tucks behind the ears so easy. And I love that look. A little fuller at the crown, longer here on the sides, and just so easy to tuck behind the ears, you know, for a more casual look. Or you could wear your bang down. You know, you could wear this bang down a little bit if that's what you wanted to do. I think that you could trim this bang if you wanted to. I think it would work really, really easily if you wanted a shorter bang in this. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Again, I want to say the biggest thank you to Wig Studio One for sending me Posh Premiere.